Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Mario and today I will be doing a package. Today I will be packing an order. Guys, I just saw this on YouTube and I really loved the idea. So I just decorated this place a little bit. Yeah, I got like half. I got the whole store, the Stardust City makeup store. I got like everything from here. But you can say I also got some items from like different places too, but I didn't get any different places. Just from places. It's just original. Oh, and please ignore the sound. That's like we need a new fan and we have one right now. So let's get started. So I'm gonna be packing an order. Like, what should we do? I don't know, but the first one is gonna be my profile picture inspired. So, a blue bow. Mine is a blue bow, and I really like it. So, let's get a bag from here. Do we have any blue bags? We don't have any blue bags, but I know we can use like this and then we package it. So first of all, we need some perfume, this blue perfume. Oh my god, it won't fit in the bag. Okay, I guess we're not using the bag, we're using one of these bags. So this is the one I'm using because it has a little bit of blue. It's technically purple though. So let's get it. Put the blue perfume in. And let's go over here. What should I pack first? Some blush. There's like a blue blush that's blue. It's zero, guys. So I guess no blush. It's gonna be a really hard challenge because there's barely blue in this game. Okay, we'll get this. And let's get a hot brush. If we had a blue brush, I'd freak out and love. Let's get some for this. It actually has like jelly style to it. Put these back. And this blue liner. Guys, I'm trying to be really careful so I don't like put some on my face because I don't need any of it. This white one. And I guess we'll get this one because it has blue. Is there any blue lotion? There's supposed to be, but there's not. Okay, we'll grab stuff from there. Oh, now we need the glitter. That's on. Since we don't have blue lipstick or anything, I'm just gonna get some white lipstick. This lipstick looks really cute, so I'm getting it. Okay. Did we get exactly everything? Okay, you know, guys, I'm desperate to add some lipstick. I'm actually desperate. You guys don't notice me, but I'm desperate. I'm just gonna add some pink lipstick. Did I put it in at all? I don't know. I think I should put this into it, but it doesn't fit anymore, so. Okay. We got our package. This is everything we got in our package. This perfume. This is everything we got in our package. It's quite a lot. Or maybe, what did I do? What did I do? Have it. Let's just put this blue and pretend it's like the original and this blue. This is all we got. All. Now let's pack this order. Okay, let's get some. Guys, I have some more outdoor standing. Let's see. Okay, guys, this man is sad because he hates it. Bye. Okay, let's start there. This is our first package. Comment and if you guys have any ideas. I'll do them all. Every requested one you guys need. But you must only request one each time. I will never leave one comment alone. I will always make the package. You guys name the style or color and I'll do it. So that's the end of today's video. So bye guys.